Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose a reputable exchange. Platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken allow you to buy Bitcoin using traditional money. 2. Create an account. Sign up and verify your identity, following the exchange's instructions. 3. Secure your account. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. 4. Add payment method. Link your bank account or credit card. 5. Purchase Bitcoin. Decide how much you want to buy and complete the transaction. 6. Transfer to your wallet. For enhanced security, move your Bitcoin to a personal wallet where you control the private keys. Types of wallets. 1. Software wallets. Apps like Exodus or Mycelium that you install on your device. 2. Hardware wallets. Physical devices like Ledger or Trezor that store your Bitcoin offline. 3. Paper wallets. Physical printouts of your private and public keys.